Morning students. In my previous lecture I explained you refraction through glass slab as well as we have studied refractive index, and today we are going to learn refraction by spherical lenses. What we are going to learn? Refraction by spherical lenses. It is given on page number 176, 177 in your NCERT book. I will also send the image. So first we discuss what is lens. What is lens? So the answer is lens is what? Lens is a transparent medium. Lens is what? A transparent medium which is surrounded by two spherical surfaces or a spherical and a plane surface. So for making a lens, it is necessary that one surface must be curved. The other surface may be curved or plane. Basically for class 10th, we have to study two lenses. Convex, it is also called converging lens. Concave, it is also known as diverging lens. So what is convex lens? Here you see that these rays, these are the light rays. These light rays are parallel. When these rays passes through converging lens or convex lens, they converges towards a point. They converges towards, later we study, principal axis. So because it converges the rays, it bands the rays at a point, and that's why it is called converging lens. This lens is thin at the corners and thick at the middle. It is swollen at the middle and thin at the corners. Now concave lens, when you touch it, you feel that at corners it is thick and in middle it is thin. So this is concave lens. When light ray incidence, don't forget to put arrow on light rays. We have to always put arrows. So when light ray incident on concave lens, this lens diverges the rays, spread the rays, diverge the rays. Yes, the rays appear to come from a point. Because it diverges the rays, that's why it is called diverging lens. So we have to study about these two lenses, convex or converging, concave or diverging lens. And next we study the terms related to the lens. These terms we study: optical center, principal axis, aperture, principal focus and focal length. Stop.
रुको
Center.
रुको अब फिर से स्टार्ट करो.
तुम बोलना. हाँ. First we learn what is optical center. So you see, this is the midpoint of a lens. When a light ray passes through this point, it passes without deviation. It neither converges nor diverges. So optical center is the midpoint of the lens from where when a light ray incident, it passes without deviation. And number 2, here we are going to study principal axis. So what is principal axis? Here you see that this lens is the part of a sphere. This is the part of this sphere. So a lens is part of two spheres. Their centers are C1 and C2. So the line which passes through C1 and C2, this line is called principal axis. Similarly for diverging lens, this is the sphere and this for this is the sphere. So the two center, when we join the two center, a line, an imaginary line which passes through the two centers, that imaginary line we call principal axis. Number 3, here we discuss aperture. So you look at here, this is the lens, this is the lens, and this distance from the two ends, distance between the two ends of the lens, this distance is called aperture. Okay, And next, principal focus, the most important part. Yes, principal focus. So here you see that these rays are parallel. Yes, I have taken 3 rays. You can take more than 3, as many as you want. So when several parallel rays which are parallel to principal axis incident on a lens, after refraction through the lens, they meet at a point, they diverges at a point. This point on principal axis is called principal focus. In case of diverging lens, these are the parallel rays. These rays incident on concave concave lens. So when these rays incident on concave lens, it diverges the rays. Extend these rays in backward direction, it appears that the rays are coming from this point. This is called focus. Here one thing is important which I am going to explain you. Suppose that these rays are not parallel, these rays are not parallel to principal axis, but the rays are parallel with each other. Then these rays will meet here. Okay, so this is focal plane, not given in NCERT. Remember it, कि when the rays are parallel with each other but not parallel to principal axis, then they meet at a point at a point in focal plane. And last definition, last term related to the lens's focal length. This is very easy. You know that for a lens, the distance between optical center and focus, distance between optical center and focus is called focal length. And now I will discuss the 2 activities. I will send you the video of these activity. Okay, I will perform this activity and I send you the video. You will enjoy. After studying those video, we learn how the image is formed, and when object is placed at different position in front of convex or concave mirror, then what's the position of image, what is the nature of image, what is the size of image. All these we discuss after performing the activity. Till then, you wait.